How much should you actually spend on a Resin 3D printer? Because some people are happy buying the cheaper options, but others swear by the pricier models. It's a bit confusing, right? Let's dig deeper and find out which ones are actually worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1, FlashForge Adventurer 5M. First up, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. This one caught my eye because it's priced at $239 and boasts a solid 4.1-star rating from over 2,200 reviews. If you want a hassle-free printing experience with automatic features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Adventurer 5M features one-click automatic printing and bed leveling, meaning you won't have to fiddle around with manual adjustments to get that perfect first layer. Plus, its Core XY structure lets it print at an impressive speed of up to 600 ms, which is fantastic for those of you who want to churn out models quickly. With a print size of 220x220x220, it can handle a decent range of projects, making it versatile enough for beginners. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial learning curve, it's smooth sailing, and the quality you get is really good for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly entry point into 3D printing. Skip this one if you want something more advanced right out of the box, but for the money, it delivers great value. Product number 2, ELEGOO Standard Photopolymer Resin. Next on the list is the ELEGOO Standard Photopolymer Resin, which goes for just $16.99. With a glowing 4.7-star rating and nearly 10,000 reviews, it's a fan favorite. If you're looking for high-quality resin that's easy to work with, this one deserves your attention. What's great about this resin is its low shrinkage and fast curing time. This means your prints will turn out with high precision and a smooth finish, which is exactly what you need when you're starting out. It cures at 405 nm, making it compatible with most LCD 3D printers. Plus, it comes in a leak-proof bottle that's safely packaged, so you don't have to worry about messy spills. However, some users noted that the colors can sometimes be a bit less vibrant than expected. But honestly, if you're just starting, this resin provides excellent value and reliability without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're diving into resin printing and want something that works well with a variety of printers. Skip this one if you're looking for specialty colors, as it's more about performance than a rainbow of options. Product number 3, ELEGOO ABS-like 3D Printer Resin 3. Moving on, we have the ELEGOO ABS-like 3D Printer Resin 3, priced at $29.99. It also has a nice 4.7-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you need strength and toughness in your prints, this one is a fantastic option. It cures quickly thanks to its low viscosity, which means faster print times and less hassle. The low shrinkage feature also ensures that your models maintain their shape and detail, so you can achieve clean and precise results. Some users have mentioned that it tends to be a bit more expensive than other options. Here's the thing though, the durability and quality you get make it worth the extra investment, especially if you plan to print more functional items. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create tough and detailed prints. Skip this one if you're just making decorative items and don't need the extra strength. Product number 4, ANYCUBIC 3D Printer Resin. Next, we have the ANYCUBIC 3D Printer Resin, which is a steal at just $9.44. It currently holds a 4.7-star rating with over 10,300 reviews. If you're on a budget but want reliable results, this one is definitely worth checking out. This means you'll get smooth surfaces and detailed models without breaking the bank. It's also compatible with all DLP LCD printers, making it a versatile choice. Some buyers pointed out that you need to shake it well before use to avoid uneven coloring. Honestly, once you get that down, it's a fantastic resin for all your basic needs. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly resin that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you need specific colors or specialized properties, because it's more of a generalist. Product number 5, ELEGOO ABS-like Resin 3 Plus. Finally, we have the ELEGOO ABS-like Resin 3 Plus priced at $16.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 459 reviews, this upgraded resin offers higher heat resistance, which is a big deal if you're printing parts that might get warm. Plus, it features low shrinkage and high strength, so your prints won't crack easily and will stand up to some real-world use. The fast curing process also means you can spend less time waiting and more time creating. Some users reported that it can be a bit brittle if not handled properly. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you're careful and know what you're doing, it's an excellent resin for serious projects. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable resin that can handle a bit of heat. Skip this one if you're only printing decorative items and don't need that extra durability. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the FlashForge Adventurer 5M for ease of use, the ELEGOO standard resin for affordability, the ELEGOO ABS-like Resin 3 for strength, the ANYCUBIC resin for budget-conscious beginners, and the ELEGOO ABS-like Resin 3 Plus for high-heat applications. Each of these options offers unique benefits, making them solid choices for anyone just starting out in the resin printing world.